Very good evening, friends. Beside Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Today, I am going to be covering a very important thought of the day. But as I speak with you, my attention is little divided. You know why? Because on my left hand side, Bloomberg TV is showing me US bankruptcy tracker. You must be thinking that US bankruptcy tracker would be in a comfortable situation, especially after COVID-19 vaccine news. But actually, you know, anyways, we'll definitely have a video on US bankruptcy tracker very soon. But before I go ahead, let me have one thought of the day. Very big magazine, very big magazine. Business Today 500 is the Business Today longest running annual project. It is uninterrupted, run since 1993, has been witness to every twist and turn of Indian economy and every rise and fall in Indian ink. Great. In this index, there is heavily focus on the market capitalization of the companies. Rather, just before I go ahead, let me just make a summary of thought of the day. This year, BT 500 captured these trends. Combined market cap of BT 500 companies rose 1.08% as against fall of 1.5% in 2019 edition. There is so much of data, I cannot cover everything. But I would like to have a thought of the day to all of our members. I understand that MBA, Masters in Business Administration, CFA, Certified Financial Analyst, CPA, American Institute of CPA, they are big degrees. Do you know that in these big degrees are people taught earnings quality analysis, EQA? I doubt. My question is, if you are hired by any bank, financial institution, maybe a research firm, example, and they asked you to compute the earnings quality analysis of their annual report of last 3 years. Okay, it is simple. So you are hired by any bank, financial institution, or maybe hedge fund, or maybe a big bank, and you asked to do earnings quality analysis of that organization. What would be the 4 or 5 requisite things that you would require to go ahead? Right? And what is the appropriate format of earnings quality analysis? In 2020, when print media talks about market capitalization, it looks to me that in an era of Apple, we are using pagers. Or alternatively speaking, in an era of Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp Pay, and Amazon Pay, Google Pay, and all, we are doing Telegram. It's like that. I don't know if I ever get an opportunity to launch my own business school because time is really very limited, but I wish to. I really love to teach a dedicated subject in a semester, which is earnings quality analysis. Let me see how many of you know the answer of my question. And by the way, if you know the answer, then you know where you need to WhatsApp. 9818485155. And the winner will get 1000 rupees Google Pay. How dare you to challenge this Maxine? Do you know they are running this project since 1993? How dare you can challenge this? Please don't mind. Look back. In 1976, HP was, Apple was, and you know what he said? While standing at a HP garage, I don't care what HP thinks about it. I am going ahead, which today is $2 trillion company. I don't care whether these print media will publish earning qualities or not, or whether they hold the competence to have earning qualities or not. I care. I am going to be publishing earning quality analysis. Have a great time.